Welcome you aviation student. Today we are going to study about the module 2 of EASA, that is physics, and today we are going to study about the System International Unit, FPS unit and their comparison. It's very important for us. For studying physics we need to have a good knowledge about the System International Units used for different quantities. Dear student, you know well that for representing a quantity, for representing a specific quantity, we need to have specific units which can differentiate it from the other quantities. So let's start studying the System International Units. In System International Units, we would represent different quantities, their symbols and their units, which are being used or which are being allocated by the System International to these quantities. As far as the mass is concerned, mass is represented by the symbol m and its unit is the kilogram. As far as the length or displacement is concerned, its symbol is L and its unit is meter. Time is denoted by the symbol T and its unit is second. Area is denoted by the symbol A and its unit is meter square. Volume is denoted by the letter V and its unit is the meter cube. Force is represented by the F and its unit is Newton. Temperature is denoted by the letter T and its is represented by the unit Kelvin. Here we need to remember that the temperature has some other units as well, like centigrade or Fahrenheit. But we need to remember that in System International Units, temperature has its unit of Kelvin. Energy is denoted by the QE and its unit is joule. For work, we use the symbol W and its unit is joule. Same like the energy. So we can say that the work and the energy has the same unit, that is joule. When we discuss about the power, it is represented by the symbol P and its unit is watt. Density is denoted by the Latin word rho and its unit is kilogram per meter cube. Pressure is denoted by the symbol P and its unit is Pascal. Remember that the Pascal is the SI unit of pressure. Velocity, sometimes we represent the velocity with the letter U and sometimes we use it with the V, letter V, and its unit is meter per second. Meter per second. Acceleration, which is different from the velocity, and it is represented by the letter A and its unit is meter per second square. Meter per second square. Angular displacement. Angular displacement is represented by the theta and its unit is radian. Angular velocity is represented by the letter omega, which is a Latin word, and its unit is radian per second. Angular acceleration is represented by the letter alpha and its unit is radian per second square. Here we need to remember that when we discuss about the simple acceleration, that is having the unit meter per second square, and as far as we discuss about the angular acceleration, that is represented by the alpha and its unit is radian per second square. Gentlemen, it's very important to know about the different prefixes which are being used for representing these quantities. These quantities provide the physical limit of that quantity. Here are prefix symbols, prefix name and its multiplying factor. Pico is used, it is the PP is the prefix for pico, and its multiplying factor is 10 to the raised power minus 12. So we can say that the pico is the smallest unit as compared to the tera. Tera is the biggest unit and the pico is the smallest one. Nano, it's the prefix, its symbol is N, and then it is represented by the nano, and its multiplying factor is 10 to the raised power minus 9. Micro is represented by the mu or micro, its multiplying factor is 10 to the raised power minus 6. Milli, its smaller unit as compared to the micro, and its multiplying factor is 10 to the raised power minus 3. Kilo, very famous, and kilo is represented by the letter K, and its multiplying factor is 10 to the raised power 3. Mega, 10 to the raised power 6 is the multiplying factor for the mega. Giga is the bigger unit, and its multiplying factor is 10 to the raised power 9. Tera is represented by the letter T, and its multiplying factor is 10 to the raised power 12. Now coming towards this thing, that as far as SI units are concerned, these units are being used all over the world, but there are some other unit systems which are being used in different part of the world. As far as the Britain is concerned, Britons or England or English people are using FPS unit system, which can be represented as foot pound second. Now we are having a comparison of these two systems. As far as the length is concerned, we use an FPS unit, we use it 1 inch. If in 1 inch of FPS unit is equal to the 2.54 into the 10 to the raised power minus 2 SI unit. Area is, if we are having a 1 yard area in FPS unit system, it would be equal to the 0.83613 meter square. And when volume is concerned, 1 gallon, that is imperial gallon, is equal to the 4.5461 into the 10 to the raised power minus 3 meter cube. Speed, 1 mile per hour is equal to the 0.44704 meter per second. Mass, 1 pound FPS unit is equal to the 0.45359 kg. And force, 1 pound foot, 1 pound force is equal to the 4.4482 Newton. In pressure, FPS unit is pound, or PSI, 1 PSI is equal to the 6.8948 into the 10 to the raised power 3 Pascal. In energy, 1 foot pound force is equal to the 1.3558 joule. Power, very important, 1 horsepower is equal to the 745.70 watt, or we can say that 1 horsepower is equal to the 746 watt. So this is all about the today's lecture. In today's lecture, we discuss about the System International Unit, then we discussed about the pico, then we discussed about the different prefixes in the form of pico, nano, tera, giga, etc. And at the end, we used a comparison system, comparing system between the FPS unit system and the SI unit system. That is the end of today's lecture. I hope you would like it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for further stuff and for more videos related to your course and for your future knowledge. Thank you very much. Meeting soon for more stuff. Thank you very much.